What up, y'all? What up? 3 a.m. in the morning, y'all. We finna hit it. There go the fellas right there. Big Sarge over there getting filled up. But yeah, we finna hit it. Look like we might run into some rain toward Little Rock. Hopefully it ain't too bad, but everybody got their rain suits, so we geared up and we ready to get it, man. Yeah. So I'm gonna see y'all on this highway. See y'all on this highway. Yes, sir. We at the pallet right by the room. It was a good time, tall. So hey, let's get on this road, baby. Peace. We rolling, y'all. Man, look at this. I don't know if y'all can see it. 226 miles, and I already done went 10 miles already, and I'm getting 226 miles. That's where I'm at right now on Khrome, after already going 10 miles. So man, this baby doing good on gas mileage. So, like I said, if you get a big bore kit, look, there go 226 miles. I hope y'all can see that. But, yeah. And look at my controllers right here, y'all. I got a video coming out on these controllers. I put the one with the lights in them, dude, because I'll tell you about it in the video. But, yeah, my controllers, they light up now. You can see that. Look at that. Both sides light up. So yeah, I just put those in. So yeah, we rolling, man. Let me get off of here, concentrate. We supposed to run into a storm when we get to Nashville somewhere. So man, we prepared. Everybody got their rain suit. So yeah, we getting it in. So pray for us, and we'll see y'all when we get in Nashville. Hopefully a little lighter beat done came up, and we gonna keep rolling, man. Hey, we enjoyed this weekend, Tall. Love you, bro. See y'all in the feet. Yo, I just want to come over here and say, man, look at how this Custom Dynamics got this road lit up, man. Those Shark Demon headlights is on point. Look at this road lit up. Look at it. Look at that boy. That boy is lit up. I just had to come on here, y'all. If you need want some of these Custom Dynamic lights, go to the website, baby. Cause this boy is lit up. Yes, sir. We gotta suit up, baby. The rain has came and we had to pull on side the road. Yeah, we gotta get suited and booted, man. Man, let's get it done, baby. We is not finna get soaked going back home, y'all. That is not finna happen. I got my J's on, but I got my daggone Harley boots, y'all. Whoo! Boots, so let's get suited and booted, baby. But y'all, I'm gonna get suited and booted, and I'll get back up with y'all, man. We finna get it done. Peace. Well, we back rolling, man. We in the rain, baby. Hey, yeah. Whoa, man. I guess it wouldn't be a trip, a motorcycle trip without a little rain. So, yo, we in it. It hadn't got really hard right now, but we suited and booted. soon as I felt it coming down, I pulled over, and man, we suited, so we should be good to get on in to what we need to get to. But we're supposed to hit it pretty good when we get up toward Nashville, so it's already coming down. So we're not too far from Nashville. We're like 40 miles out. So yeah, we in it. Woo, boy! But I get up with y'all, man. Peace. We made it to a gas stop, y'all. So y'all, the rain got us. The rain got us, y'all. Everybody good? Y'all good, man?
Yeah.
So y'all, we finna fill up, y'all. So I get it with y'all. 240 miles in my reserve gas tank, y'all. That's why I say I'm getting excellent miles out of this bike, y'all. Excellent miles. So y'all, we finna get back on the road, and I'll see y'all when we get on the road. Peace. Man, this rain is crazy, y'all. We pushing through it though. We in Nashville. We are right here somewhere in Nashville, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Man, hey y'all, I'm gonna tell you, when you're riding in the rain, just keep pushing, man. You sit still, you delay your time. But I know some people that just keep pushing, break your speed down, and just keep rolling. I'm a big truck driver. That's actually what I do in the truck. I just break my speed, I slow it down, and I just maintain a steady speed until I get through the rain. You know what I'm saying? Last year it rained on us as well down here, but we stopped for a while because I had some inexperienced guys with me that hadn't rode in the rain like that, and they wasn't comfortable. So yeah, just maintain a steady speed and just keep pushing, man, because they talking about flash flood. But when we get to Memphis, we should be good. So yeah, that's what everything is saying, the weather report and everything. We should be good when we get to Memphis. So, but yeah, we're gonna keep on pushing through this. Oh, beautiful Memphis. We still gonna get home at a pretty good time. They're saying 2:29 right now, but we should be home probably no later than 3:30. Some of us, I say it like that. That's my time. Because you got one, he's going to Tyler. He might beat all of us. And we got one, he's got to go all the way to Houston, my boy Big Sarge. And Jesse has to go to Tyler. And then Chris still has an hour to go after I branch out from him. So, yeah. So we getting it in. Hey, I just want to come in here and show you something. Look at my gas, man. It went down to 239, but it came back up to 240. So that's what I'm tell y'all, man. Learn to burp your bike. Burp it at least 8 to 10 times, man. And you will get a lot of gas. You get a lot more miles out of your bike if you do that. Look at that. I showed y'all this at the gas station. And I done went almost 15 or 20 miles. And I'm still at 240. So I'm still getting great gas mileage with this big bore kit on my bike. And I still can travel cross country. See, that's one thing make me not want to do anything else to my bike, because I'm still getting great gas mileage. But that come from me burping my bike. You know, so that's what that come from. So, man, shake your bike, you fill it up, you shake it, you fill it up, you shake it. Some people do it 2 or 3 times, they done. But me, like I told you before, it's 8 to almost 10 times I do it, so I can get great gas mileage out of the bike. So yeah, you see we got 189 miles right here to Memphis. And we are getting it in, man. We are definitely getting it in. So yeah, so make sure you do that. I'll do a video later on that about burping your bike. I'll go to a gas pump and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Man, we are in Memphis, headed to Little Rock. Man, we getting it in. We done been through the storm and rain. You see, we done took the rain suits off, and we are pounding the ground, y'all. Yes, we are. These fellas don't mind riding in that rain. They talking about, Big Saw said, man, it's still been a good ride. I was like, wow, yeah. In the rain, in the dark. So yeah, man, we getting it in, baby. So we just got on 40, Interstate 40, headed to Little Rock, man. 6 hours and 28 minutes left. It's showing me getting home about 3:30, right? No, 3:10 right now. But I know that ain't right, man. So it'll be about 4:30 when I get to the crib. But yeah, man, I just want to come on here and let you know, hey, we are getting it in. Loving it. Memphis, Tennessee. I'm in your city, baby. I'm in your city. Yes, sir. We in your city. Headed back to Texas. Ooh, that big old Bass Pro Shop down there. That boy is huge. I'm about to come down here to visit my father-in-law just to go over to that. Alright, one of my favorite parts of the trip. Let's go across the Mississippi River, baby. Woo, look out there. West Memphis, Arkansas. That's where we at. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Memphis, Tennessee. We leaving your city, baby. We were glad to see just that short stay. That was a short stay right there. Little Rock, Arkansas. We back in your city, baby. We back in your city, but we going straight through, baby. We back in your city. Beautiful city. Beautiful city. Benton, what's up, boy? Catch you on the flip side, baby. And we out. Y'all see the sign right there? Welcome to Texas, baby. We back in Texas, doc. What? That's what we do, man. We pull that one day, 12, 13 hour stuff. Like I said, that ain't the longest ride I done had. 17 and a half, 16 and a half. But we back in Texas. When I say we left at 3 o'clock this morning, me and these fellas back here, we were pushing it and got caught in the rain. But we did what we had to do to get here. We had to break the speed in the rain, but we made it to Texas. So I'm 152 miles away from my house. So yeah, man. But I'm gonna end this video right here. I got the fellas back here. And we gonna end this video right here, man. We across the Texas line. I'm happy. It's hot, y'all. I can tell I'm back in Texas too. Oh my Jesus, it's hot. Oh my gosh, it's hot. This 128 is hot. I'm hot. Everybody hot. Even them guys, when we stopped early, they talking about, man, we done got back here and it's just hot. But man, till next time, baby, the next grind, you already know. I love you. You stay safe. You have a blessing. Traveling tall. We had a great time. And I just heard the fellas talking about how good of a time they had. We out, baby. I love you, man. Peace.